July 5th here in Girona. This is the old quarter of Girona, and I take you a little bit around here now. See, it's very, very hot, but here in the old quarter it's quite cool. With the old stone walls, and the wind is blowing. And I want you to discover new roads here in Girona. This one over there we went already. So this time we are going this road. You have all these little shops here. You can see Chinese cuisines. There's all different little individual shops. That's what I like a lot about this place here. You have little libraries like over there. Little boutiques, travel agencies, all kind of different stuff. And again, the library bookshop over here. As it's so hot, people are inside, they are not outside. It's well a nice place. You can wine and dine. It's over here. You have like an Indian restaurant over there. I ate already there, it was very nice. Then you have a lot of tapas bars. And let's go on here. Bon dia. You have here like, look at that, like little sweet cafes. The wind is blowing in this heat, that is very, very nice. Go a little bit more on here. All different kind of decoration you have here. Wine here. Here you have like interior decoration products. Gallery over there at the corner. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Life is good. La vie est bien. C'est bien la vie.
Of course.
Yeah, wonderful. Good to hear. You see, and there was a shop. There was a shop over there. You see, people are happy here. Bon dia. I hope it's still there after the COVID crisis. It was very nice. You had good cheese here. La Sintonia. You see all cheese and wine shop, yeah? You have all, and look these details. Isn't that beautiful here? This little place. See? I hope you liked this little tour here at little shop tour here with these individual shops. Give a like, subscribe to the channel, share the video with other people that they also can see the beauty of Catalonia and these shops. And habt einen schönen Tag. Ich hoffe, die kleine Tour hat euch gefallen hier mit den Shops hier in Girona, in der Altstadt. Gebt ein Like, macht un abonnement. Voilà, j'espère que cette petite tour vous avez aimé des magasins et individuels des shops. Donnez un like, faites une subscription au canal et compartez la vidéo avec d'autres gens qui peuvent faire aussi la bellezza de Catalonia. Ciao!